movie camera on.
This is mine.
Okay, cool. So I think it's a movie camera.
Oh, that was funny.
Sing it again, Mare.
Camera on here.
It's I don't remember.
Chris, I'm playing a movie here.
I don't remember. Now you're not going to do it again because he's got the camera on, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so funny. How about you? Oh, it's funny. I'm the little, I'm the light, I'm the little, I'm the light. Oh, silly boy. We started laughing today. Laughing boy. He's like, okay, I'm tired now. Are we done?
That's right, when you're over here.
So we know.
How about my other game? Let's do the other one. You ready? We went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The big baboon by the light of the moon was swimming his auburn hair. The monkey, he got drunk and sat on the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed and sat on his knees, and that was the end of the monk. The monk, the monk, the monk. That was the end of the monk.
Yay! Yay! Yay!